All right, hello, welcome to the weather update. A very warm day today. Very warm. And the sky, actually, in the afternoon, we had a lot of these altocumulus clouds around, and it's actually quite pretty. Showing you some of the pictures I took around, let's say, I don't know, like quarter to five. And you can see all these beautiful cloud formations here. Look at that with the sun there. That is absolutely beautiful. The sun shining on these altocumulus clouds there. Absolutely beautiful. Let's pull this out a little bit so you get a chance to see what that looks like there. That is really beautiful. Absolutely beautiful cloud formations. So, yeah, absolutely beautiful cloud formations this evening. And I really enjoyed it. But anyway, a very warm day today. Let's get to these record highs that happened today. We're going to go to the Weather Service right now on their Twitter. And you will see we had some record highs set today, and we smashed them. I mean, smashed. So here you go. Islip's record high was updated to 62 degrees today, breaking the old record of 57 set in 1984. And JFK's record high was updated to 61 degrees today, breaking the old record of 58. So a lot of records broken today. Very warm. And now we watch the return of winter coming back in. Record highs were also set in Bridgeport as well. So Bridgeport, Islip, and JFK broke record highs. These were the current temps as of this of noon today. So very warm, no sea breeze. Very warm day today across the area. So let's take a look at what we got going on. Temperatures are starting to drop. We got the northwest wind, but still mild out there. Still in the upper 40s across the area. 46 at Islip, 46 in West Hampton, and 46 in Toms River. So everybody pretty much around 46 degrees. Let's go ahead and actually drop to 45 at Islip. But let's go ahead and look at some of Islip's conditions today, and you will see here, again, there's that 62 degrees. You can see that west wind today. And we had these scattered cirrus and altocumulus clouds throughout the day today. Probably won't be that much difference between Islip and Miller Air Park. So let's go look at Miller Air Park because, again, with no sea breeze, it's not going to be that much of a difference. And there isn't. There isn't. Just a degree higher at Miller Air Park. I see their high was 63. So let's go take a look at our highs today. And you'll see just a very, very warm day across the area. You know, and we're always breaking record highs, but think, when was the last time we had a record low? Think. That's exactly my point about climate change. So, actually, this is saying a high of 63 at Islip, 61 at Shirley, 61 at West Hampton, 61 at LaGuardia. What did Central Park get up to? 57, oddly enough, a little cooler there. For some reason, it's always cooler in Central Park. It's just because I think it's by the lake and there's a lot of trees over there. 61 at JFK, and in Jersey, pretty much the 60s. I had a feeling we were going to get to the 60s today, and we did. So 63 for your high at Miller Air Park, 61 at Lakehurst. So just ridiculously warm day today. But you'll notice the colors that are painted over Jersey. That's a winter weather advisory that has been issued for New Jersey because of the light snowfall forecast. And that might wind up being extended into our area just because we might see a coating to maybe an inch or two across the area. We're going to look at that in a moment. So this is the satellite right now. You can see these scattered high and mid-level clouds. We're actually overcast right now. Looking at the MODIS satellite, this was from earlier. Looks like there was a period of clear skies, I guess, this morning. But then we had the thicker bands of clouds roll in as we got toward the afternoon. So there was a period of clear skies in the morning, and then these thicker clouds kind of rolled in as the day went on. These altocumulus clouds, but they were pretty. Like I said, like you saw at the beginning of this video, quite pretty cloud formations. So let's take a look at the models, and we're going to be focused generally on the next couple of days of this week. So looking at the GFS, you see that light area of snow breaking out across the area tomorrow into tomorrow morning. And then this low develops east of our area and could actually bring the Cape and parts of Nova Scotia more moderate snowfall. Moves away. If that moves away, we start clearing it out Monday. High pressure is with us through a good couple of days there. We're going to have high pressure with us. And then after that, the next chance of precip would be a very strong low that's going to go over the Great Lakes, bring us some rain. and then another high builds in for next weekend. So let's take a closer look at our area. We're going to go to the HRRR model right now. 0 Z HRRR model, not the 01Z, the 0 Z HRRR model. And you will see here that light snow breaking out after midnight sometime tonight. We have a little period of light snow, and that's going to linger into the HRRR has it kind of lingering over our area through much of the day tomorrow. Just very light snow, and the temperature's borderline, but like I said, I think it could stick. Probably not to the roads, but I think grassy areas could see up to a couple of inches perhaps. And that also includes the woods, I guess. And then it finally slowly inches out of here as you get toward Monday, and high pressure builds in. And that will also mean cold air. So let's take a look at the temperatures. They're starting to drop right now. And after the record warmth we had, temperatures are going to drop below freezing probably just before sunrise tomorrow. And they're going to be hanging out around that freezing mark throughout the day. The further south you are, maybe it'll be a little warmer, so the snow might have a little trouble accumulating there. But once it wraps up, temperatures tomorrow night drop, and it's going to get cold. Back into the Arctic air again. It's actually indicating we may have get down to the teens by Monday morning. And then for Monday, we're probably going to see highs only in the mid to upper 20s, perhaps. And then Monday night, we could have a lot of that radiational cooling going on behind that. And this is all because we got to look where the air mass comes from. So if we look at the winds, you will see those northwest winds. So here we are tomorrow, and you see that light northerly flow there. It's going to pick up, become a little more northeasterly throughout the day. Then as the snow wraps up, it stays northerly and then goes a little more northwesterly by Monday morning. And then look at that cold air coming in with that northwest wind there. And Monday is going to be pretty cold, back into more typical February weather. And believe it or not, I don't think we've seen all that much snow for the month of February. All that snow occurred in January. But like I said, I don't really see a whole lot of snow from this. This is what I'll see what the HRRR is painting out for us as far as total snowfall goes. And you'll see not really a lot, but you can see certain areas might pick up moderate levels. In the mountains, where you're a little higher up and it's a little colder, as well as the Cape in New England, might see more of the 4 to 5 inches. But for the rest of us, an inch or less, generally 1 to 2 inches at most on grassy surfaces. I think that's going to be it. It's not going to be a big snowfall at all, but it'll be enough to make things look nice. And that'll be good, I guess. Not enough to keep you from walking around, or getting around. So that's the good news as far as that goes. Now we can look at some other models as far as the snowfall. Let's go to the NAM 12 as well, and a similar agreement there, though it is painting a little pink in central Jersey and a little pink in Nassau County. I'm not buying the NAM. I think the HRRR is more. Let's go to the GFS here. GFS also in line with that. I don't think anyone's really going to see more than 1 to 2 inches, and mainly on grassy or surfaces. That's going to be it. It's New England that would have to watch out, I think. They might see a little more of the moderate snow because they're going to be affected by the coastal. But it forms too late to affect us pretty much. So let's go back to GFS and look at our temperature dew point map here. Our dew points here, so you can look at the wind flow again. Northwest on Monday, and then Tuesday, I think it stays northwest. Yep, so Tuesday is still going to, because of that, it's still going to be cold. But then by Wednesday, you notice the winds become more southerly. That's going to bring in more of the warm air, and especially as you get to a Thursday. And actually some warm, humid air, and an LLJ event perhaps Friday before the cold air returns by the weekend. So let's go look at our temperatures. Now that you got an idea of where the air is coming from. So Tuesday, probably not that much of a recovery. If you're in Jersey, you're probably going to get to the mid-30s. Long Island might still be hanging below freezing on Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, with the southerly flow, we'll be back up to the mid-40s, low to mid-40s. But, of course, it's a southerly flow with the sea breeze. Thursday, you'll see much warmer over Jersey, and we may have to watch for some of that warmth over here. Jersey's a shot at getting to 60, and then the cold front comes through and temperatures drop. Friday afternoon, we're dropping into the 40s. And then next weekend, we are in the mid-30s. But that's more normal for this time of the year. It won't be like as frigid. So we'll still be doing with mid-30s. So a little bit below normal, but nothing record-breaking and nothing even, that's not Arctic air. But the air mass we're going to be dealing with for later into Monday and Tuesday, that is going to be Arctic air. So we will be dealing with that. Now, now that we've seen the snow. Let's take a look and see where how our skies will go. This is the GFS, obviously a low-resolution sky model, showing some clouds for Monday and a lot less for Tuesday. But let's go let's go a little further than that. So here's Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe some high clouds, and then we'll be dealing with much more clouds Monday and Thursday and Friday. But let's go to some of the other cloud models. Let's go to the RGM here. And you'll see tomorrow, obviously, I don't think we see the sun at all. But for Monday, it looks like it has some clouds hanging out over Long Island. But if you're in New Jersey, it probably could be mostly sunny. Clouds hanging out over Long Island for the early part of the day. And then for Tuesday, Tuesday looks like a nice, mostly sunny Tuesday. Looks like an absolutely beautiful day to be in the Pines. So it looks like we'll have Monday may be good enough. It might be sunny in Jersey, but Tuesday it should be sunny everywhere. It should have a nice clear sky, which is good. And we'll see how much snow we get. It probably won't be all that much, though. I'm not thinking it'll be that much at all. But maybe just to be on the safe side, you could issue a winter weather advisory. But I don't really see it accumulating on the roads at all. But let's go look at the NAM sky model as well. And this is the NAM sky model for your Monday, and you can see those clouds over Long Island. But if you're in Jersey, it looks like it's fairly sunny. We'll have to see. We'll have to watch out for pop-up clouds and stuff like that. As we get closer, we'll have a better idea. Have more models in as far as what the sky will be like Monday. But if not Monday, Tuesday should be a nice, mostly sunny day for sure. And chilly, so it'll feel like February. We had sunshine yesterday, but you'd be sweating. Who wants to sweat in February when you're doing it for a hike, wearing a jacket and stuff? That's absolutely crazy. Nobody needs to be doing that. We're actually going to go to Channel 12, and because I have to call out the meteorologist there. Let's see. I saw her on the air, but let's see. They probably don't have the way she acted over the 63-degree reading today.
Eating.
It was actually ridiculous.
No, but I'm serious. Like, I would write a check and donate food. They're just talking about, bringing it fasting. Like, I don't know. I'd write a check.
You'd write a check out, yeah. They certainly appreciate it. Let's turn our attention to the weather. Meredith, it's going to get cold.
It was great for a picnic, that's for sure, because
you
can see we actually had a record high at Islip Airport for February 12th. How about 62 degrees? It was actually 62.6. But the National Weather Service rounds down instead of up. So technically it was 63 degrees. It doesn't matter. It was fantastic. People are at the beach. People are in and out. And so
it's February.
We are going to see temperatures.
It's not supposed to be that warm.
So as we get into Sunday, it is literally a whiplash. We were just talking about this because it's going to be completely.
It's a whiplash, yeah, and it's not normal.
Different when you're waking up and you're getting the morning going.
So yeah, it doesn't show you, but she was like smiling and. This was the updated forecast, I guess, but she was smiling over that. She's like, ta-da! It's 63 today. Yay! No, it's not normal. This is not normal, and yet another sign of the climate crisis we're in. But hey, some people, they just want to live it up, especially, what she showed. Where did she show? The South Shore. That's right, she showed the South Shore. Look at that. Both pictures of the South Shore. Unbelievable. Like I said, we're left out, but there you go. This is the radar again, and you'll see here some of that light precipitation that we're going to start dealing with. So, not normal at all, the warmth today. Not normal. Oh, get out there and enjoy it. Oh, it's not supposed to be like this in February. No, it's not. It's a sign of what we're going through, all right? We always set record highs, but when was the last time we had a record low? I can't even remember when we had a record low. But anyway, that is going to be... That's how long ago it's been. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. We always have to call out Channel 12 because, I think year two, it's so obvious. Even their weather department is just all gaga over this warm weather without realizing the seriousness of why we're getting this. And it's all due to climate change. But anyway, that is going to wrap up this weather update. Back to into tomorrow, fortunately. We'll have more, but we're going to have some more warmth later on this week once again. So February probably not going to be as below normal as January was, if at all. But that's going to wrap up this weather update. Take care, and thanks for watching.